Oh, look, guys, it's Patrick Osborne, Vice President of Training and Education.
Oh, hi TMA. As you can see, we don't have very many students in our lab today. Kind of quiet. We're practicing social distancing. Doing a really good job of it here at TMA. Everybody's staying at least 6 feet apart, including our videographer, Lee Coglianese. But we are actively busy behind the scenes here. We are working hard to try and keep delivering content to our numerous apprentices. The apprenticeship program has stalled a little bit. We're delivering some of our content via technology platforms, GoToMeeting, GoToWebinar. We had a really successful class last night with all of our tool and die apprentices, our third-year apprentices, who are super eager to keep going and want to graduate. So we're doing the best we can to bring the T back into, put the T back in technology, in the Technology Manufacturing Association, so those students can continue with their classes. We have so many classes that it's difficult, especially when it comes to machines and the hands-on training. Can't obviously put that online, but we are doing the best job that we can to try and keep classes continuing here at TMA. Stay tuned for updates regularly from the association.